Okay folks, so we're here to inspire. We're gonna do some floor vases for you and we'll make it fun. Right here on my take on home and garden. So alrighty now, pick something for each vase. Got 4 floor vases here in the dining room. So I made the big one. And we're going to start off with a pretty plum colored leaf piece. And a couple of smaller ones. Feather in a cream colored white. And we've got these wonderful dusky red hydrangea. Gonna dominate that white. Get that behind there. And a lavender. Now we have a pear, and I'm gonna get that cream color in first. The plum, kind of a dogwood, leaves are changing. Here's like a eucalyptus multi-tone, changing for fall. And our branch of plum leaves. Now we're going to switch it up a bit. I've got these wonderful giant dahlias in the burnt orange and the burnt cream. Golden toasty cream color. One more element would be this. How can you beat it? Golden toasty wisteria. That's changing color. Maybe one more. The white. Alrighty. Now it's tight in here, but see if you can see down to the last one. And because we're in a formal setting, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now back here, a couple of these lavenders to finish it off. Here's our changing dogwood, our eucalyptus branch, our plum, our giant dahlia in the burnt orange, our creamy white, and our giant dahlia in that wonderful toasty golden cream color. And here's our wisteria in that same tone. Then our two, and balance it right, two lavenders. So here we are, running down the last of the stuff. Here's the dogwood. And here's a more orange wisteria. And here's lavender. And we're just running out of everything now, which happens to the best of us when you try to do a whole house. Better now. Next time we address these, it'll be Christmas time. Okay. Now we look human. Last little tweaks. Folks, hopefully you liked our Fast and Furious 4 floor vases for fall. Thanks for coming by. You know we care about everybody. We'll get through this. Keep the faith. And thanks for coming by, folks. Take it easy and follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. Be safe, everybody. Give us a like and a share, and we'll see you in the next video.